center is Travancore Titans have won the toss and elected to bat first. What made you decide to bat first on this?
Yeah, actually it looks like a good wicket to bat here.
What do you want to do differently than Rangers to put up a good score?
We just want to build a partnership. If a wicket falls down, our plan is to build a partnership between the two batters who are going to play.
Thank you so much. Good luck for the game. Monit, you have lost the toss, two consecutive losses. What would you have done?
We would have bowled as well. Yesterday also we bowled well. We had got that pattern how to bowl in the first innings. We look to carry on same pattern.
So, what will be your message to your bowlers as well as batters?
Bowlers, I'll tell them to keep the same areas like yesterday what they did. Nothing extra. Batters will look to bat like how much the target will be there. We have a target in mind, so we have to restrict them.
You look confident. Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
This is the news from the centre. Travancore Titans have won the toss and they have elected to bat first. Welcome everyone watching to day 2 of Travancore Premier League Season 2. Roshan to start off the proceedings. Ball 1 and punch to point for no run. A great length and dropped. Dropped by Mokit at first slip. And it's hit the helmet. 5 penalty runs. A great shot. Driven between point and covers. And a 2 stolen. Oh, that's very poor running from the Titans. Careful toss. And in the gap. Oh, good try there at mid-on by Ganesh. The first boundary there. And it's taken by Swayam. What a great catch. Titans 2 down. Another well-timed shot by Agastya. Ravi steps out and hits it straight down the ground for a boundary. Flighted delivery in the air. Boundary 4. It's a drop catch. The score is 44 for the loss of 2 wickets. Travancore Titans. In the air and just over long off for a 6. Malhar not giving him any time. A great catch on the boundary line by Ganesh Star. Ravi. And he drives it in the gap. Pass sweeper cover for a boundary. Stepped out and here's a chance and he's taken it. What's the keeper now? Quicker one and it's a misfield. Boundary 4 to Mokit. And the full toss and a boundary. No ball. Till end of the over. After 34 overs, the score stands at 151 for the loss of 5 wickets for the Titans. Full ball driven majestically. And it's a boundary. Good effort by Ayush Chandil. Full ball, loosener, first up. And that's 50 for Suraj Seshadri. Great knock. Four to Manu Chandru. The two most experienced. Reverse swept. Scooped. Reverse scoop, I beg your pardon, for a boundary 4. The score is 200 for the loss of 5 wickets after 42 overs. In the air. And Roshan Naidu takes this catch. Suraj Seshadri has departed for a well-made 68 of 80 ball. To Manu. Swept for a boundary. Important to keep a calm head. Beautiful shot. Right. In the crease. On a run out. Looking for a 2 and they get it easily. 250 up for the Titans. Excellent innings by Manu and Suraj Seshadri. Hi everyone, I have the marquee player and the captain of Seven Shine Titans, Suraj Seshadri and Manu. They have stitched more than 100 run partnership. They were reeling at 83 for 5 after 21 overs. They have batted 22 overs together and stitched a great partnership. What was the instruction to Kef once Ravi got out?
See, once Ravi got out, we decided not to play those aerial shots, especially because the ball was stopping and coming. There was no value for those aerial shots. So we decided to push that 10-15 overs by playing on the ground. I think that is why I was more disappointed where both Ravi and Kef, we had the similar plan. Both of them playing aerial and getting out was a little bit more disappointment. But when Manu came in, I knew that the maturity was always better. So that is why I had a little bit more confidence that we could stick to a plan and push that 10-15 over partnership.
If you had any discussion in between, what was the discussion?
We were discussed to play as long as possible. That is what we were discussed because the wicket was not easy to play when I get in, and as the innings goes on, the wicket would become very difficult to play. So we decided to play as long as possible together to build a partnership.
What do you think of 251 and how confident are you?
Actually, we were looking for 230, 220. It's a good score for us to defend, but we got more than 250. It's really good for us.
What will be your message to the team to defend this team?
I think very clear that even if you're set, it's not easy to rotate strike if you're bowling good areas. So I think minimize the loose balls, bowl more wicket-taking deliveries. That will be a clear plan.
That's it from the mid-game presentation. I have both the half-centurions with me. I would like to congratulate both of you for playing so well. Looking forward for the second innings. See you at the post-match presentation.
2, 1, Tigers!
Welcome back. Second innings between Stravenshine Thunders and Stravenshine Titans. Ready for ball 1. Sweeper out. A great throw by Agastya Manoj. And that's in the air. And another wicket down. 3 down. The Thunders. A loose shot there by Vivian. Thunders is the youngster Nikhiles Gowda. Short and wide. And that's a boundary 4. Immediate change in field. Build a partnership with Rehan. And he's gone. Misfield at mid-on by Sahil Singh Jadon. Jonathan Mokit short ball and dealt with. A good shot by Mokit KS. Breaks the shackles. End of 11. The score is 42 for the loss of 4 wickets. John bowling his third over. Short ball and a great shot by Rehan Mohammad. Titans can't afford to bowl such loose balls at this stage of the game. Tossed up and he's got him the first ball. 5-5 for 5. And that's a sharp catch at slip by Manu C. Roshan Naidu, the new batter, as well as their skill. Tossed up, swept. Oh, it's a nice sweep shot. Running away from Bikas at long leg and a boundary. Right delivery, punched down towards the dawn and a misfield there. Boundary 4. 86 the score. Short ball and dealt with. Mokit looking in immense touch. Boundary 4. Ball number 3. Slightly short and cut for a beautiful boundary by Mokit KS. Great shot there by Mokit. Giving charge to Ajit as well. Ajit to Roshan. Well flighted delivery on the pads. Very well played by Roshan. Looks like he's racing towards the boundary. It's crossed the boundary ropes. Boundary to Roshan Naidu. Boundary 4 to Roshan Naidu. His plans. Full ball and boundary 4. Roshan moves on to 15. Ended up stepped out and dealt with. A great shot by Mokit KS. Boundary 4 to finish the over. The score is 118 for the loss of 7 wickets after 27 overs. Soft dismissal for Ajit Chauhan. Oh, very well played there. A flick shot towards square leg for a boundary by Ayush Chandil. That's gone. Flatter ball on the stumps and Ahan KP finally has his man. Strive and Shine Titans have opened their account. to the post-match presentation of the second game between Titans and Thunders of Shrevensham Premier League Season 2. Before starting off the presentation, I would like to thank our facility partner, Ram Sports Club, and our digital partner, Vipara. We saw an impressive performance from the Titans, losing 5 wickets for 83, and their marquee and captain building a great partnership of over 100 runs, which helped them put 251 on the board on such a wicket. Shrevensham Thunders got to their worst possible start, losing 4 wickets for 9 runs. But we saw some resistance by Rehan and Mokit. Got 81 of 99 balls, deserved 100, missed out. In the first innings, the star performers were Suraj Sheshadri, scoring 68 of 81, and Manu Chandru, the captain, scoring 93 not out of 18 balls. Among all these performances, one performance stood out, which was required in that situation. There are no surprises to this. The man of the match for this game is Titans captain Manu Chandru. I would like to player of the match trophy to Manu Chandru. A round of applause. How did you manage to score 93? What was running on your mind?
My role is very crucial at that time, so I adapted myself to that situation and played till the end.
What was your conversation with your vice captain?
To build a small partnership at the end and play till the end.
Very well done. All the best for tomorrow. Again,